Hi guys, it's Zach here. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a potato battery. This is a potato. What most people think of potatoes as used for eating. But potatoes also have many other uses. One of the uses is in a battery. But you're wondering, well, I'm not going to just plug my phone charger into here and it's going to charge it. That's definitely not true. Well, that's not exactly how it works. Here is an in-depth guide to turning a potato into an actual battery. So, what you want to do is obtain two electrodes, one zinc and one copper. Then what you'd want to do is take the potato and stab the zinc in, like really stab in. Then what you want to do is take the copper, then like stab it in, like stab it. Yeah. Then, once that's done, you'd want to have your hands on a multimeter. This is a little device that can tell me how much volts your potato has. So what you'd want to do is take this black thing, put it into this bottom one, take the red one, and put it into here. Pretty easy. Then you'd want to turn it to the 20 here. Then switch it to on and take this, put it on the positive, which is the anode, the zinc, and put the red one on the negative, the cathode, the copper, which is outputting about 0.9 volts. Let me write that down. Then, let's try to measure the current. It would work the same way. Everybody turn your multimeters off, and then put this on the 20 here. Then switch it back on. Take this, same thing as last. It's telling us about 0.75. That's around what it said. Then, what you'd want to do is, I have this little thing called an alligator clip. It's called that because it kind of looks like an alligator. Then, what you'd want to do is clip the alligator clip on to the cathode, which is the copper. Then I have a green alligator clip, and I want to clip this onto the zinc. It does not matter the colors, I just like this way. Then, what you'd want to do is obtain an LED light. So, you see two legs, but they are slightly different. One of them is a little longer. You want to take the short leg and then plug this one, who's connected to the zinc, my potatoes fall, into this. Why does my potato keep falling? Let's just pretend that didn't happen. Then take this, plug it in. Do you guys see a light? I don't either. So, I am going to write down, no. Then, this. We are going to show you this. It's a buzzer, a piezoelectric buzzer. What you want to do is, you see this little metal part at the tip of the black one? Connect this to it, and then take the red one and connect the red one of this to it. Then you may or may not hear a sound. I do, so I write down yes. It gets annoying after a while, so. But personally, I like the sound. Anyway, that is a tutorial on how to make a potato battery. But wait! Did you think I was done? Huh, I bet you did. I'm not. You'd want to get another potato. Unclip this from the other potato. Then you will want to take these, and just like we did the first potato, stab them in. Then what you want to do is connect the copper to the zinc using this. Then this, what you have here, is called a series circuit. When two potatoes are connected, negative to positive. Then what you'd want to do, flip this back to the 20 volts. And do what we did the first time. As you guys can see, it is reading about 1.8. Now, let's check the current. That was about 0.87. With our stronger battery, let's bring back the alligator clips. Little guy got tangled in there. Take this and connect it to the LED again. Let's see if our newfound stronger battery can power an LED. And as you can see, it lit up a bit. So I'm gonna write, kind of. And now, you'd want to take that buzzer that we had and you all can hear that, right? So we are going to write yes. It's kind of fun to do. But this is our strongest battery, right? No, you're absolutely wrong. Our strongest battery is this, So you'd want to connect them. Take this one, get a green one, connect these. You don't have to get a green one, but I like using my colors. You can get another one and connect it to this. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the strongest potato battery there is, volt-wise. Now, let's see the insane number of volts it can get. Okay, we need to prop this guy up. If you didn't know, you can also clip this to this. And this to this. This is reading about, it was reading 2.8. Which is the strongest battery there is. Now let's check this. It was reading about 0.7. Now check the LED. Can this power the LED fully? Maybe. Who knows? Well, we are going to soon. Just wait till we power it. Clamp. That's a lot of crows. Oh yeah, sorry guys, I accidentally put this off. That is a highly powered battery. So let's put yes. Now, let's see what the strongest battery can do with a buzzer. Yes, it is buzzing a lot. Now, I just need to write down something. Take a quick break, stretch your legs, enjoy. So now, we are going to connect two potatoes, but not in a way that you'd expect. This is a special way called a parallel way. It does not make that much of a volt difference, but it makes a current difference. Now, let's check it out. I'll take a green one to connect these two. That I fell. But how are we going to connect it? These are already occupied. Well, who said we can't put 2 on 1? Then we are going to connect this to there. And the voltage is about 0.88. Let's check the current. It was 1.45. And as you can see, the current is going down. Current drops the more it's connected. So that's why we're going to disconnect it. Now let's see what our parallel can do with a buzzer. Do not have the buzzer bent. It will not make sound if it's not. You can all hear that, right? Yup, that's a buzzer sound. So let's write yes. But what can it do with an LED? Can it power it? Nope, it cannot. I told you, it does not make much of a volt difference. So no, it could not power it. Let's see what happens if instead of just having 1, we have 3. You heard me right. 3 potatoes connected in parallel. It's a bit hard to connect, but you got it. I believe in you. And let's measure. .9. That's a steady .9. Yeah, sorry, I took it off by accident. Let's go to current. Wow, that was 2.11. Let's see if it can power the LED. This is the last time using the multimeter. Let's turn it off. And disconnect it. Check if it can power an LED. Nope. None of the ones in parallel could power the LED. But it might be able to power the buzzer. Who knows? Fun fact, you do not actually have to open it in order to connect it. You could also just put this on it. And yes, the buzzer does make noise. That is the end of my tutorial. Hope you enjoyed.